This is a 1968 Ford Torino GT. Now, if you think it looks perfectly original, you have every right to believe that, because it only has 12 miles on the odometer. It's an amazing story about a dealer in Nebraska who saved these cars, set them aside, and then the owner of National Parts Depot, which is headquartered in Ocala, decided this would be a nice little gem for his collection. You may have noticed some of my videos. I was there last year and did some videos of the cars he had at his parts warehouse. And this is just an amazing car. I mean, it is factory fresh. And here you see the original Moroni sticker. From what I gather, it has a 352 engine and Cruise-O-Matic. Basically, very few options in AM radio, but I love that white interior. Everything absolutely perfect. Striping is perfect, and the tires. There you see the sticker of the Nebraska dealer, evidently. Every once in a while, you come across cars that have been secreted away for years, finally come to light. And this owner of National Parts Depot has been very good at finding these original cars and adding them to the collection. It's a collection that's normally closed, but as part of the Mustang show, we were and Ford show, we were allowed to. That was in Silver Springs. We were allowed to roam through the collection. It truly was amazing. And this one is being shown at LakeMirror show.